Hi everyone. So today again I have a major sweet craving, and to fulfill that I'm going to make my favorite Indian dessert called Kalakand. Kalakand is good because it's made of paneer, which is high protein, so that's one good thing. And then of course we'll try to only use condensed milk and no other sugar. It's a quick 10-minute recipe, so I hope you all can try it and enjoy it. So let's get started. To make this, I have about 500 grams of paneer or 1 pound of paneer, fresh paneer. There is some sliced almonds and some sliced pistachios for the garnish. I have 1 can which is of about 14 ounces or 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk. I have some cardamom powder, and then there is about half a cup of milk powder. Let's start by crumbling this paneer into smaller pieces, so just break it down. The paneer is all crumbled. You can also grate it if you want to make it quicker. So if you can see, I've grated a little bit and I crumble it a little bit. So that gives it a good texture. Next, heat a pan and add in the condensed milk. Now add in the milk powder and mix it in well. Want to ensure that the powder blends in well into this condensed milk and no lumps are formed. As you can see, the milk powder is well blended in. Just heat it for another 1 or 2 minutes and keep mixing it. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And now time to add in all the paneer. Gently stir this in. Keep the flame on a medium. You don't want to burn it. We want this paneer to get softened as the condensed milk sinks in. We are almost done cooking here. Let's switch off the flame and allow this to settle for 2 or 3 minutes before we pour it into a different container for setting. Next, take rectangular flat bottomed container. This will be a setting container. And to this, add the parchment or the butter paper. Now let's pour in this warm mixture into this setting bowl. Spread it into the container. Now let's garnish with the dry fruits. So I'm going to put in the almonds first and then some pistachios. I'm going to refrigerate this for about 30 to 40 minutes or maybe an hour or so before we cut this and serve this. And this is ready to eat. Enjoy. Nice and tender.